How to unhide apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unhide apps on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe up from the bottom and simply open the settings. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on home screen. And here, once more, simply scroll until you see the option labeled as Hide Apps on Home's and App Screen option. And once you have found it, simply tap on it. And here you will find a list of hidden apps. In my case, Chrome is hidden. So to bring it back, simply tap on the minus icon next to the app and then hit done. And that's it. And now here, if I go back and open the app drawer, there it is, Chrome visible again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.